Good morning, my friend. How are you? I miss you so much. Miss Isra is talking to you, and we come back again to listen to our science lessons. We will start our second term with a very easy lesson called levers. What is the meaning of levers? It's a rigid bar that rotates around a fixed point called fulcrum, and it affected by an effort and a resistant force. The structure of levers: number one, the fulcrum. It's the fixed point that the lever rotates around it. Number two, the effort. It's the force exerted by the person overcome the resistance. Number three, the resistance, the force resulted from the body we want to move. We have three types of levers: the first class lever, second class lever, and the third class lever. The first class lever, when the fulcrum exists between the effort and resistance, as we see in this image, the fulcrum between the resistance and the effort. Like what? Like crowbar, scissor, water bomb, boat arm, and the pencil and hammer scale balance. The second class lever, when the resistance is between the effort and the fulcrum. As we see, the resistance exists between fulcrum and effort. Like what? Like wheelbarrow, bottle opener, nutcracker, and a stapler. The third class lever, when the effort exists between the resistance and the fulcrum, as we see in this image. Like what? Like manual probe, ice holder, and tweezers. More examples of levers for first, second, third class. So how we use these levers and what is the law of this lever? That we will know right now in the second lesson, law of levers. The force multiplied by its arm equal the resistance multiply its arm. The effort force or resistance force is inversely proportional to its arm. When the arm of force equal the arm of resistance, so the force equal the resistance. As we see in this image, number B, when the arm of the force is larger than the arm of resistance, the force is smaller than the resistance. So the lever conserves effort. If the arm of the force is shorter than the arm of resistance, the force is longer than the resistance, so the lever doesn't conserve the effort. So we have the three types of levers: first, second, third. The first class, when the force arm is larger than the resistance arm, or equal or shorter than the resistance arm, so this lever sometimes conserve effort and sometimes had mechanical benefit. Second class lever, the force arm is always larger than the resistance arm, so the effort force is always smaller than the resistance, so the second class lever conserve effort and has mechanical benefit. The third class lever, the arm of resistance is larger than the arm of the force, so the effort force is always larger than the resistance, so the lever conserves effort, but it doesn't have mechanical benefit. And until this point, we will stop in this video and I will wait for you in another video. Goodbye.